Two big VPNs. One burning question. Which one actually protects your privacy in 2025? On the left, ExpressVPN. Fast and fully audited. On the right, Surfshark. Loaded with features and unbeatable value. Let's cut past marketing jargon and dive into what really matters. We'll award points in each category, so you'll see side by side which VPN delivers more. And the final winner? It might surprise you.
Okay, before we start, here's a mind map of how we're scoring this battle. We're looking at price, privacy and security, speed and performance, server network, streaming and unblocking, device support, features and extras, and finally, ease of use and support. Oh, and if you're the visual type, just picture all those categories radiating out from these two VPNs about to go head-to-head. First up, price. ExpressVPN? Honestly, it's been the premium pick forever. You get all the features in one plan, plus a no-hassle 30-day refund. Super nice. But cheapest is still $349 a month. Surfshark, on the other hand, is known for those dollar-stretching deals, starting as low as $249 a month. There's flexible pricing for every budget and plan. Yeah, the real fancy features come with the pricier plans, but for basic privacy, it's a steal. Winner here? Oh, you guessed it. Surfshark takes the crown for sheer value. Let's talk privacy and security. Because what even is a VPN if it's not airtight? ExpressVPN is based out in the British Virgin Islands, meaning no data retention laws. Love that. They've even had multiple independent audits, run only RAM servers, and rock their own lightweight protocol that's, honestly, kinda overpowered for privacy nuts. Only thing, you're capped at 8 devices. Now, Surfshark, it's got ad blocking, rotating IPs, and some truly wild privacy tweaks like no borders mode for those in, let's say, restrictive countries. They're in the Netherlands, which is still pretty good, but technically a 9 eyes country, and they just haven't been audited quite as many times as Express. When it really comes down to security cred, ExpressVPN is still king here. Jumping to speed and performance. ExpressVPN fans rave about their lightweight protocol. It's smooth, snappy, ultra-reliable, and everywhere I've tested, the speeds have been insane. Surfshark? It rides on WireGuard for speed, and even lets you run a speed test right in the app, which is awesome. It's fast, don't get me wrong, but it's usually just a notch behind ExpressVPN in the latest benchmarks this year. If blazing fast is a deal breaker for you, ExpressVPN edges it out again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Surfshark lets you connect unlimited devices? I mean, you can literally protect your phone, laptop, smart TV, tablet, heck, probably even your smart fridge if you wanted. That's wild. Server network time. ExpressVPN, we're talking 164 locations in 105 different countries, all using physical hardware, which, if you're into security, matters. Surfshark's no slouch, though. Over 3,200 servers in 100 countries. You get a massive fleet, great for balancing traffic, just slightly fewer countries. So if you're hunting for super rare locations, ExpressVPN has the upper hand. Now, streaming and unblocking. If you're fed up with the Netflix proxy error, listen up. Both VPNs absolutely crush it here. Seriously, I can unblock Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, Prime Video, you name it, on both. Express is plug and play. No crazy setup needed. Surfshark matches it and even brings killer streaming speeds to the table. Can't pick a clear winner, so let's call this one a draw. On to device support and connections. Here's where things get interesting. ExpressVPN covers all the basics. Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, browsers, even routers. But you're limited to 8 devices at once. Surfshark? There's no limit. Run it on your laptop, 2 tablets, 3 phones, your grandma's toaster, whatever. It works across all the same platforms and doesn't blink at how many gadgets you connect. Gotta give this one to Surfshark, especially for families or tech hoarders. Features and extras are next. ExpressVPN throws in their own password manager, a solid tracker/ad blocker, kill switch, split tunneling. It's all streamlined and honestly no nonsense. But no rotating IP. And if you want bundled antivirus, not here. Surfshark? Kinda the opposite. Ad/malware blocking, rotating IP, special modes to beat censorship, optional antivirus, identity alerts, and a built-in speed test. You can load it up with extras if you want, though heads up, those cost more. If you want epic levels of customization and protection, Surfshark has more toys to play with. Last up, ease of use and support. ExpressVPN is
basically designed to be grandma-proof. Super clear interfaces, zero clutter, and awesome 24/7 live chat support. Surfshark also keeps things modern and clean, and they match the 24/7 support. Both are top-notch, so I can't say one outshines the other here. It's a tie. Here's a quick visual. Check out the radar chart. You can really see where each VPN dominates. Surfshark spikes at value, device support, and features, while ExpressVPN stands out in privacy, speed, and sheer reach. So, at the end of it all, if you want audited privacy, next-level speed, and a VPN that just works smooth as butter, ExpressVPN is where it's at. But if, like me, you want serious value, killer features, and your device collection is getting out of control, Surfshark is just so much more flexible. Honestly, Surfshark takes the overall win for budget-conscious folks or power users, but ExpressVPN is still the privacy boss. If this helped clear things up, awesome. Seriously, compare your own needs before you pick, because in 2025, privacy starts with picking the right VPN for you.